How to fix Epson printer paper jam issue in easy way. 3 quick solution. Method 1. Clear the stuck paper from the printer's loading tray. Step 1. Check for a piece of torn paper stuck inside the printer's loading tray. Step 2. Ensure to remove each bit of jammed paper from the loading tray. Step 3. After taking out the jammed paper, push the printer's resume button. Step 4. If multiple sheets are stuck inside the printer, ensure to remove them all. Step 5. Carefully remove each paper one by one without tearing the jammed paper. Step 6. After clearing the paper jam, keep the printer parts back in their position. Step 7. Turn the printer on and inspect whether it is working correctly or not. Method 2. Clean the printer's back panel. Step 1. Firstly, search for the access tab on the printer's back side. Step 2. Set the knob of the printer's rear side to the unlock position. Step 3. Remove the printer panel carefully and pull out the jammed paper. Step 4. Ensure there is no leftover paper that remains inside the printer. Step 5. After removing the sheets, place the panel of the printer carefully. Step 6. Now, set the printer to the lock position and start printing the documents. Method 3. Remove the jammed paper from the printer's cartridge. Step 1. Check that the printer cartridge is moving appropriately towards the proper position. Step 2. If you feel the cartridge is stuck, do not slide it and remove it from the printer. Step 3. If you see jammed papers in the printer cartridge area, remove them. Step 4. Pull the rear access door of the printer and check for the stuck paper. Step 5. Rotate the rollers using your hands and replace them if broken. Step 6. Replace the ink cartridge if it is not suitable for the printer. Step 7. Switch on the printer and check if the printer error is fixed. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-877-469-0297.